Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have another unboxing for you all. I went to Chanel to check their spring and summer pre-collection and I want to share what I got, so let's get started. So here's the receipt. Let me open this first. Here's the dust bag and the booklet. So this is the Camellia card holder, caviar leather with gold hardware, and the color is pink. So you can see here's the CC logo. It has a button snap. And you can put a lot of cards inside. And here's the card. There. 29 series. It has a fabric interior and this one is made in Italy. So here's the back. I love the design. It's so feminine, ideal for everyday use, and perfectly fits inside my mini bags. There, love it. Okay. And now let's open this. So here are the booklets, and it comes with a big case. They also have a quilting design. And let me show you the shades that I got. So here it is. This is the butterfly sunglasses. There you can see that there it says Chanel there. Black frame with black and beige frame. And on the side it has a CC logo. There. And this one is made in Italy. I love the design. It complements the shape of my face. And it looks classy and elegant. There. It also comes with a cleaning cloth. Here. Okay, next one. Reviewed. guess it right.
So here's the dust bag. Just put it here.
Dust bag and the booklet. So here it is. The name of the bag is Citywalk Flap bag. This is a seasonal bag from 20p collection. It is in caviar leather with champagne gold hardware, and the color is light gray in the small size. So this is how it looks. Front, top. There it has 4 grommets, and here you can see it says Chanel there. Side and back, it has a pocket. So the chain looks like this. It has 2 straps, one short and one long strap that has a long shoulder pad to protect your shoulder. There. So let's open it. It is a single flap. And this is how it looks inside. It has a zipper pocket and has a fabric interior. So here's the card. 29 series. So there's so many things what I like about this bag. So this is, of course, the color. It's a neutral color. It will goes with everything. It's a versatile bag. You can wear this top handle, crossbody, and over the shoulder. It's a single flap. I can fit a lot inside. Perfect for everyday bag because it's in caviar leather. And most of all, it's a great bag that looks like a classic flap bag at a great price. Look how pretty it is. So what can you say about this bag? Do you like it? I like it. I love it. I'm so happy to add this to my collection. Let me show you what I can fit inside my small flap bag. So this is what I carry every day, my essentials. Okay, this is my mini pochette as my makeup pouch. My compact wallet from Dior. This beautiful card holder. My key holder. And my cell phone. I have the iPhone XS. I'm using my phone for filming. And this is how it looks inside. Okay. There you go. Perfect. They all fit inside. Oh, I'm so happy. I love it. Let's do a quick modeling shot of this bag. You can wear this as a top handle, like this. Over the shoulder. So this is a perfect length for me. I can still open and close the bag easily. And crossbody, my favorite way to wear this bag. I hope you enjoy my unboxing for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video or you like this bag, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!